This is my herb salad recipe that I stole from my mother. I'm not sure where she got it originally, but I was very surprised by how good it was considering it's strictly made out of herbs. There's no like lettuce to the salad. And actually herbs are extremely healthy, so this is a very healthy salad. What are in the ingredients? We have parsley, cilantro, dill, and scallions. I already took all the herbs off of their veins. I'm gonna chop them a little more. I chopped the scallions already. Then I have my candied pecans. I have already chopped them, but I actually make my own candied pecans and keep them in the freezer. You could buy any candied nut, but it's about getting that sweetness and that crunch. And then we have craisins, dried cranberries. That's going to add a tart flavor with a little sweetness. Extra virgin olive oil, lemons, fresh crushed black pepper, and salt for the dressing. So this is super easy. How do you prepare this salad? You're going to take all the herbs off of the stems. You're going to chop them, I'd say pretty small. You see how small I chop the scallions. I'm going to demonstrate how I chop the herbs. Then you're going to chop your pecans as well, and the rest is easy from there. You're going to mix in equal quantities your 4 different herbs. You're gonna add the chopped pecans, you're gonna add the cranberries, and I'd say a scale ratio, I'd have probably double the amount of each herb that's currently here to the same quantity of nuts and cranberries. And you're gonna mix them all together. You're gonna take your lemon, I'd say 1 or 2 lemons, depends how many herbs you have, drizzle some olive oil, fresh crushed black pepper, and crushed salt, doesn't matter what type, and you mix it all together. I'd recommend saving some garnish of pecans and cranberries to put on top to make it look beautiful. This is a real crowd pleaser, and it's extremely unexpected because it's just herbs. And I absolutely recommend this dish. It's so refreshing, unexpected, easy peasy, healthy, and it's beautiful actually.